Hi, I'm Lara and I'm a graphic designer. This is the third part of collection on how to create a Christmas card in Illustrator. I continue to work in the same file, but I will remind you how to create a new one. You need to add security file to the layout and you can start designing. For the background, I create a rectangle with the M bottom and fill it with a color from the palette. On this card, I want to add some big text to the background and bring the glass ball illustration to the font. So I add a gnome that will be inside the glass ball and recolor it. Next, I add and recolor text with fill most of the background. This can be done by processing the TK. It remains the most difficult things here to draw a glass ball. To do this, I draw a circle and change its transparency. Now I draw a stand for my ball and add a highlights of the ball itself. I just duplicate the circle and change its shape. I don't like that the gnome is hanging in the air, so I added snow. And now it already turns out that the gnome is standing in the snow and this looks better. I also wanted to add more depth to the ball. I added a radial gradient with a little darkening around the edges. Alright guys, here is the finishing touches. I will add a caption to the glass ball and maybe change the color in this card. fine, it was the last postcard of 3. If you haven't watched other videos, you can go to YouTube and watch 2 more parts of this series. Thanks for watching this video. I'm wishing you great Christmas designs and Merry Christmas. And I will be very grateful for your feedback. Thank you. Goodbye.